Yo, what's up guys, Jake the Gamer here, and today another fidget spinner video. And the last two was found out that the yellow one, the new one, is the fastest, and we're gonna put this blue one against all of them today. So if you want to see more videos like this, then smash that like button. Let's get for 5 likes and we'll keep doing these fidget spinners. So I'm going to start off with the easiest, with the red one. Actually no, maybe I should let the blue one go first. And here we go. Don't forget guys, this is the easiest one. We're going to see how much fidget spinners it can beat. And it's beating the red. So now it's really the black one. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And the black one's quite fast as well. Okay, so the blue one looks to be destroying this one. Oh, it's destroyed it. It's beating that one too. Alright, now it's the green one. It's going to get even harder. And I do give it the same amount of power as well. Oh, looks like the blue's going to beat the green. And you know what? It just has beaten the green. So now it is the reigning champion, I think. We'll let this one go first. I think this is the blue one loses, and you know, we'll put that one in it as well to make the video less short, just a bit shorter. Is this the end of the blue? Or will the blue beat second place? Looks to be quite close. I think the blue might actually be the second place. Oh my god. It has! It's beaten the second. Could we have our fastest spinner? Now against the yellow. This is it. The yellow. No, if the blue wins this, he is the fastest. Wait. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. I think the blue one's going to lose. The two new ones are going at each other. As you can tell guys, I think the yellow's going to win. As usual. Although for me it's not that close, but for you maybe. Oh, the blue one's running out. The yellow's still going really fast. No, it still keeps on going. Right, so we found out that the blue one is the fastest. So thank you guys for watching. Of course, smash that like button. Let's see 5 likes and subscribe for new, and see you next time.